We are now going to show you how to add modifiers to the system. Modifiers are things that modify a sales item. Example, ketchup on a hamburger. You can also have things that are modifiers and sales items. You may buy a side of fries as an appetizer, but you may also have a modifier called fries that go with your steak. First thing we will do is enter ID, other functions, system, menu setup, and we'll go down to the modifier screen that we want to add the modifiers to. I am going to start with my cook type. We'll select add modifier and add our first modifier. Just like sales items, if I put a comma in a name, it will go down another line on the screen. Now many of the functions here are like the sales items, except you do not have a place to print, as it will always print this right underneath the sales item it's modifying. The other options in here is we can set a price or not put a price in it, and we can say use modifier over price. That is used for special pizzas where if the modifier costs more than the default pizza, it'll use the price of the modifier as the price of the pizza. Price moved up to sales item will take this price and add it to the price of the sales item. This is especially useful for liquor where we have orange juice as a chargeable modifier, but we want to include it in the price of the liquor. We can also call windows just like a sales item from the modifier and set all the other options. I am done adding my modifier, so I will just go finished. Then set it to a category. I'm going to set it to my food category and add a new minor category called modifiers. Finished and select it. Now to quickly add my other ones, I'm going to turn my defaults on and select add modifier again. Type in the name, click finished. Click my next one and finished. When I'm done, I'll just add my buttons to the screen by going button locations. And to quickly put them on the screen, I will select the area that I want to put them. Right click on the button, select the size that I want to use, and put it to a grid. And that would be done. Now if I'm adding modifiers to a pizza for toppings like pepperoni, ham, mushrooms, and I'm using my lookup pizza chart, I will have to put the modifiers under the pizza category that says use lookup pricing. If I do not put it under that category, the system will not add the price of the modifier onto the pizza. Example, I would put my pepperoni, ham, mushrooms, etc. under my lookup pricing category, but things like well done, easy on sauce, those would not go to that category so that the system does not charge for them. This concludes adding your modifiers.